Hey guys, welcome to another Warhead using blocks tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about the search block. The search block is used to add a search form and functionality to your website. Users can use the search form to enter keywords and find products on a website. Search forms are very common, especially on e-commerce websites like the theme you're seeing here. Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is select the sector that we're going to add the block to. Just like that. Then we click Add Block and scroll down until we see the search block in the list and select the search block. Now, here are our search block settings. The label text is simply the text that displays before the search form, and the button text is the text that displays within our button. I'll show you an example after we add the block, just like that. As you can see, our search form has been added. Here's our label text, and here's our button text inside there. All that's left really now is to style your search form however you want. Before we do that though, I want to go ahead and adjust the settings a little bit. Go to the search block settings, and for our purposes, we don't need any label text before our search form. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that. You can see it's removed now. And instead of button text stating go, we're going to go ahead and use a little magnifying glass icon instead of text. Just like that. Alright, now that our search block has been added and we've configured our settings, we're going to go ahead and style it to match our theme. Now that our search block has been styled, you can see it matches our theme nicely. And we can put our mouse cursor in there and type keywords and perform a search. Just like that. You've just seen how easy it is to add a search form to your website using the Warhead search block. Stay tuned for future tutorials where we show you how to use more blocks in Warhead. Thanks for watching.